Why is it important to follow your own nature? I won't go very deep on this, but the first word that comes to my mind is emptiness. If you're not working on something that you like, something that you want to do, there's a certain type of an emptiness that you feel all the time in your being that does not go away. I won't use the passion because the word passion is very overly used, and it's like the word genius. It's used everywhere, but no one quite knows the meaning of it. But passion is something that goes along with your nature. So what I'm more concerned with is what our nature, what your nature basically is. You might have a 10 lpa job, 20, 30 lpa job. The emptiness won't go away, and that is something you should be concerned about, because that leads to frustration, and that frustration would evoke anger in you, and then it would be like living through hell every day. But there is a chance to change that. But the main thing is you don't know how to, and that is where our struggle starts. Nature, the natural nature, is something that is crucial to our being, and going against it would be like pollution. You won't be able to breathe. And what to do in that scenario? I'd say, as I mentioned in my previous videos, the main thing, the first thing that we could do is take small steps. Try to evaluate, try to, you know, identify what you're good at, how to do that, and something around it that you could do at the time that might take the edge of that frustration away. And then in the meantime, try to figure out what to do. Money won't solve this problem. That's a guarantee. Money won't solve this problem. The fear would be of money, but the more you make, I think it would increase the fear of lifestyle, but I don't think it can solve the problem in the long run. So nature, your nature, my nature, our nature is something that we have to be concerned about. We have to have a work ethic that revolves around the nature of our being, and then we would be hard workers. Working hard is absolutely necessary to be successful, but sometimes people do confuse hard work with, you know, going going through every day and just putting in the work to earn the money and just being empty inside. So the main word that I have when I talk about nature and not following it is emptiness. So that is something that I'm really concerned with. Like I see a lot of people, you, me, and a lot of people were not quite able to follow it at the time, but trying to find out the ways to just do it. And for those of us who are willing to try, willing to get out of the comfort zone, and then just don't think about it for the rest of the day, take the edge of this frustration, I'd say, believe, yes, you can.